We've got the lights coming on in the downtown buildings already. Here it is, 12 minutes past 6. And Mallory Schnell is joining me here tonight at 6. You're looking ahead to an interesting weather week. Should be okay for that parade on Saturday.
Yes, looking good Saturday morning. We'll be dry. We should have some sunshine. Temperatures on Saturday likely topping out in the 60s. But we're going to have some ups and downs through the 7-day forecast. It's certainly one of those forecasts where you want to keep an eye on things as we go day by day. But a live look outside. Yes, that sun has set here. Really, sunrise this morning was at 7:11 in Louisville. Sunset at 5:41 this evening. So still just seeing a sliver of that light from our Bachman Auto Group Shriners Children's camera here over the Ohio. Temperature wise, today we topped out in the lower 60s. So this week I will say will be warmer than last week. Last week we had the cloud cover, we had the ongoing rain chances. This week it's a little bit drier and we have a different setup. So 63 is your forecast high tomorrow. That's right on average for this time of year. Warmest day of the week will be Wednesday with a high right around 70 degrees in Louisville. Back down to 63 Thursday, back up into the upper 60s. You can see the ups and downs there. And then a bigger dip in temperatures really arise by the end of the weekend and into early next week. And you can see that here with the upper level pattern. So things fairly quiet for the next couple of days. We have what's called zonal flow here. Temperatures, though, will continue to increase, peaking on Wednesday. We actually have a dry front for us that moves through Wednesday night. That'll cool us back into the lower 60s on Thursday. Widespread rain expected for your Friday. And then in terms of those temperature changes, if we take a look at Sunday and Monday of next week, you can see a big dip here in the jet. So really the eastern half of the country could be getting a little bit of a taste of early winter. Could have our first freeze here in Louisville, which is right on target for average. We typically see that the first week or two of November. Rain chances peak on Friday. As I mentioned, that's really the day where you want to pay attention to the radar and the forecast, and you make sure you have that rain gear handy. Mostly dry on Saturday, a 20% chance Saturday night and into early Sunday. Satellite and radar for us across the region, very, very quiet. We enjoyed all that sunshine today that warmed us into the lower 60s. Temperatures already dropping, though, now that that sun has set. We're currently sitting in the 50s all across Kentuckiana, and we'll continue to cool pretty quickly, especially with winds relaxing. It was a little bit breezy at times today, but lighter winds this evening and tonight. Overnight lows fall into the 30s. We could have some patchy fog tomorrow morning. Otherwise, expect partly sunny skies for your Tuesday, and temperatures maybe a degree or two warmer than today. Could have more of those low to mid 60s tomorrow with lighter winds compared to today as well. 7-day forecast. Winds pick up again on Wednesday, but so do those temperatures. 70 degrees, your forecast high. Overnight lows will also be a little bit milder here with more lows in the 40s after tonight. Widespread rainfall, gusty showers, a few storms on Friday. Here comes that cool down, a high of 55 on Sunday. 48 degrees is your high temperature next Monday. And we're looking at overnight lows right around that freezing mark in Kentuckiana. Doug.